when it comes to marketing with the Facebook pages, a lot has changed, Karen. Okay. Before, people used to focus when they got started and told by Facebook that they had to have their own business position and known as a fan page. You have to have your Facebook business account, and that is where you're allowed to put your money, okay, in front of Facebook, and they'll give you permission to market to the users in the newsfeed through ads, through sponsored posts, okay? So no matter what you put out there, as long as it was looking like an ad and you paid for it, it came out of your pocket, Facebook got paid to put that in front of more people. So you got more reach. However, my dear, we're in 2023 right now. It has changed. Nowadays, you not even need a freaking Facebook fan page anymore. You know why? Because now there's an opportunity for those of us that who have a presence on a Facebook profile, and you're building your friend count almost up close to 5,000. They're giving you the opportunity to convert your profile now. Check this out, into a page. So it's like, okay, so isn't that kind of freaking confusing? It is, but here's the thing. You don't need to pay for ads for that. You still can boost your posts, and you'll still see analytics and everything that you couldn't see before, okay? And now you can see it on your profile, but you would have to convert your profile into a page. And I think that's something that you have to qualify for, because Facebook would be like, oh, do you want to convert your page? So you'll see this in your notifications and in your updates. That's how I was able to see. And we actually had our Facebook fan page, for a long time. And did we see any traction with it? Well, yeah, we did. But in the very beginning, we were experimenting and testing different things.
I mean, we worked that fan. Don't get me wrong. We worked that fan page.
We grew it.
We really did.
We grew it organically and with paid marketing. But we found out with so much red tape around, we frown upon anything doing with make money online. I got tired of all that mess and then all the flags and everything. I was like, bump this. I was like, we're going to focus on profile. And that's exactly what we did. And we focused on our profile. So I highly recommend build up your profile, build up your audience, start connecting with like-minded people, connect with them, add them as a friend, as a contact, grow that thing up to the limit, past the limit. Because when you do, you'll be maxing out your 5,000 friend count. Hopefully all those 5,000 friends are engaging into your content. If not, there's tools out there that you can sift and sort and clean your profile over and over again, like a microwave oven, like a self-cleaning oven. It will clean. And I can point you in the right direction for that if you want more information. But the thing is, like, going back to building up your audience, you got to constantly be adding and connecting with people, adding and connecting. So you got to be active. You got to be really active with that and just focus on that one platform. And then as far as your Facebook group, and did you ask a question about Facebook group? If you have a Facebook group, that's even good too, because now you got the people that you're connected with on your profile, and you can invite them into your tribe. So when you create your tribe, you can invite the people that you're connecting with that are interested in getting closer to you. It's like, I want to hang out with you more, right? Let's go to the bar. Let's go to the party, right? Let's hang out more. Let's get closer. I want to pick your brain. If they want to pick your brain, open up a Facebook group immediately and start having those people in that group. You get what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, absolutely. And I mean, what we've always done is our massive results have come through our Facebook profile.
It has.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
YouTube, Facebook profile.
It's like segmenting.
Our old website we used to have, we're building a new one now, but our old website did pretty good with SEO until Google changed, the what do you call it, their algorithm and stuff like that. So
yes.
But yeah, I mean, like I said, we've done our fan pages, and it worked out pretty good for the time being, but we noticed that the results were really coming from the profile, because we were able to be very targeted with our audience. We were able to build our audience specifically of certain, age demographics, type of niche that we were focusing on.
Yeah.
And we knew our message. So we wanted to make sure that whoever that we added as a friend, as we're building our audience, we wanted to make sure that we were able to communicate with them in a way that they're going to listen, right?
Yes.
Because that's how you build an audience. You build a targeted audience, not just anybody. Some people just do that in the beginning. They'll have their friends or cousins, like, and then all of a sudden it's like, well, wait a minute, how come nobody's listening to me? Because you're adding the wrong people.
You're adding the wrong
to your Facebook
yes.
profile.